It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? I know it starts with D. D. We'll say the name of the month out loud. I heard some of you say it. We are in December. If you remember that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. And what number comes after 4? We'll think when you're counting. 3, 4, 5. I heard some of you. Check out our hundreds chart. If we start on the number 4 and hop one hop, the number after is 5. Let's get that number to add to the calendar. We are on December 5th, 2023. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? It starts with T. Look back at the days of the week resource and find the one that starts with the letter T. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you see it? It starts with a T. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, here it is. Tuesday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And if today is Tuesday, then what was yesterday? The day before Tuesday is Monday. Monday. Yesterday was Monday. If you knew that, go ahead and kiss your brain. Remember, kiss your hand, stick it on your head. Now, what will tomorrow be? The day after Tuesday is Wednesday. Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And do you recall the season we're in? Well, I noticed some clues. What's the name of the season? I heard some of you say it. We are in fall. And what is another name for fall? You're right. I heard some of you say it. Another name for fall is autumn. Now, trivia question. What date is winter solstice when the season switches from fall to winter? Do you know? That occurs on December 21st. If you remembered that, great job. December 21st is the day when December officially switches to the season called winter. Okay, what's the weather like for today in Northern Virginia? The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. Well, what do you think? Oh, it's between cloudy and sunny. What's that called? It's called partly cloudy. Let's get partly cloudy. And is it hot, cold, warm, or cool? Let's see. It's going to be high 48 degrees Fahrenheit and low 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So what does that feel like? Oh, it definitely feels cold outside. And this morning, there was frost on the grass at 5:30 in the morning. My goodness, let's get cold. All right, how many days have we been in school? I know that yesterday was 67. What number comes after 67, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting 67, 68. I heard some of you. Let's double check our hundreds chart. We always look at resources to help us, and the hundreds chart is an excellent one to use to solve math problems. If we start with 67 and hop one hop, the number after is 68. We're going to make that number and then say it together before we put it on our place value chart. Are you ready, mathematicians? Okay, say the number 68. We have 6 tens, 8 ones. We're going to get one counting rod and add it to the ones pocket. And now, let's start with our 6 tens and skip count by tens 6 times. Are you ready, mathematicians? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Do it again and keep that 60 in your brain. Skip count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's put the 6 tens back in the tens pocket. And now, get the 8 ones to put with the 6 tens. Did you keep the 6 tens in your brain? You've got the 60 there? Okay, let's put the 8 ones with it. Are you ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Practice one more time. We got that 60 in your brain. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 days. My goodness. So many days learning together in kindergarten. We're going to go ahead this time and do a tally mark. You're going to pull straight down. Go ahead and skywrite with me. And then we're going to skip count by fives. Dun, 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 13 times. And then put the 3 ones with it. Use your finger to point. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68 days of learning together in kindergarten. Let's write the date. You need something to write on and something to write with. Starting with your uppercase letter D. Remember, good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. All right, we're going to write the date, and then I'll hold it up for you to see a little bit better. Capital letter D-E-C, period, finger space, write the number 5, comma, finger space. The year is 2023. Final countdown of this year. My goodness, it's the 12th month, 5th day. The year is 2023. You're going to write that down and then practice reading it out loud. December 5th, 2023.